Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy. Both of these machines are designed to deliver quick and efficient ice production, making them perfect for home, RV, or party settings. In this video, we'll delve into their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. Both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers excel in ice production speed, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate ensures that you have ice ready when you need it, whether for a party or a refreshing drink at home. With a maximum output of 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, both machines are designed to keep up with your ice needs. A standout feature of both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy models is their self-cleaning function. This feature simplifies maintenance, allowing users to keep their ice makers hygienic with minimal effort. Additionally, both machines come with a carry handle for easy portability, making them suitable for various settings, from home kitchens to camping trips. Both ice makers boast a compact design, measuring 8.8 inches in width, 11.6 inches in depth, and 12.5 inches in height. This makes them ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. The lightweight design, at approximately 15.4 pounds, ensures they are easy to transport, whether you're moving them to a different room or taking them on a trip. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer excellent performance and features for their price. With similar ice production capabilities, self-cleaning functions, and compact designs, the choice ultimately comes down to brand preference. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.